Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Yes, so guys, in today's video we are going to look at the Serbia temporary residence. Yes, so guys, before we continue, if you haven't yet subscribed, please subscribe, turn on the notifications, be notified every time we upload a new video. Yes, so guys, before we continue, I want to congratulate all my followers that were able to get their visas approved. I'm really so happy for you. Yeah, and those of you that really want to travel to Serbia, yeah, try to follow all my information, try to watch all the videos that I upload, and yeah, you will get there. Yeah, so guys, we are proceeding. Once you enter into Serbia with your D visa, with your visa ready, depending on the reasons you've come for, like family reunification, education, or employment, you have to think of switching now to your temporary residence, because that is the most stressing period. It's not so easy, I know guys, it's very stressing. And I guess with this that I'm going to share with you, it will make it easier for you to apply for your temporary residence. What do you need to apply for your temporary residence and what you have to do? Yeah, so let's go. Yeah, so guys, these are the requirements that you need to have when applying for your temporary residence. Yeah, so number one is the passport. You need to have your passport and it should be valid. Number two, you need to have your visa sticker. You need to prove that you entered Serbia legally. And you must to have an entry stamp from the airport. Number three, you need to have your white card. This white card is given to you by MOP, by the police. Like once you enter into Serbia, you have to report yourself to the police in 24 hours. So it shows the address where you're staying, and the police is aware about you, like the new entrant in the country, or you know. And number three, you need to have an application form. Number four, is that number four or number five? Another thing you need is the purpose of your stay. You're applying for your temporary residence. What is your purpose of stay? Are you here for school? Are you here for employment, marriage, retirement? What is your reasons of stay in Serbia that you need a temporary residence? So you have to identify that very well. Yes, so guys, number six, you need proof of accommodation. You need to show your address where you're staying. If you're staying with a friend or on a family reunification, you can ask that person you're staying with to give you house details attached with your white card. You can prove it like that. If you're renting, you can ask your landlord to give you a house contract or rental contract, like to attached with your white card. You understand, guys? And number seven, you need to show proof of sufficient funds. You need to show that you're able to cater for yourself. If you're working, you can show your bank account. If they're giving you cash, you can open up an account, post that money on your on your bank, and show that as proof of funds. If they give you cash if they give you money at the bank, like if they transfer money there to your bank, still it is okay. Just print your bank statement and attached. At least you must have some balance on your account. And if you're in a family reunification, of course your husband can attach his bank statement, or if your girlfriend can attach her bank statement and prove that as you're going to take care of that person. Yes, so guys, I will come and talk about in details. These are just requirements that cut across for any reason that is going to take you longer in Serbia. I'll come back in and talk about in details family reunification, that is marriage. I talk about education in details and employment in details. But other than that, this is just, it's cutting across general requirements. You understand, guys? So we are proceeding to another requirement, which is requirement number 8, which is the health insurance. So guys, you need to have a health insurance that at least covers you for a period of 1 year. Yeah, once you enter into Serbia, the health insurances, I'll quote one here that is common, that most people use. I'll share it with you with the website. When you come here, you can go and subscribe or buy one for a year and attach it. It's also required. Another requirement is for you to have your motivation letter. You need to write a motivation letter why you want to stay in Serbia. Yeah guys, like I said, depending on your reasons of your stay and depending on the papers you have that you're going to use to apply for your temporary residence, like the papers you came with from your foreign countries, like if marriage or education or any document, don't forget to translate them to Serbian language. There are so many translators, like approved translators. Get them translated to Serbian language. After that, you have to go to, which is welcometoserbia.gov.rs. Apply for the temporary residence. You follow the procedures. I will actually make a video about that, how to apply for your temporary residence using that website. And then after you complete the application on that website, upload all the documents whatsoever, after you go and make an appointment on MOP. You understand, guys? So once you're given an appointment, I'll quote for you the website where you can make an appointment for you to go and submit your physical documents. Guys, I want to be more specific here. Like, before you even plan anything, you have to secure an appointment date, because days can run so fast. And you can find appointments after 2 months, after 3 months on MOP, with MOP, like when you're going to submit physically. Days can run so fast. So that's why I say to you guys, the moment you reach to Serbia, quickly make plans to switch your visa, because your visa can run so fast and you can run out of time, and then you understand, guys. So for MOP, it can take about 2 months for you to get an appointment. That is time. So when you get an appointment to MOP, there you're going to submit your physical documents. And once they take them, they make an interview, a small interview, of course. When they take them, you're given a date for you to come and take your biometrics, which is they take your facial, of course, your photo, passport photo, and they have cameras and biometric machines, and they take your biometric machines, like they scan your fingers. And once you finish that, you again given, I think that is after 10 days, you are being told to go and pick your card. The card is in this form, like, you understand, guys? So guys, once you're given after taking your biometrics, there's some receipt confirmation they give to you for you to come and pick your temporary residence card after 10 working days. You understand, guys? So when you go to pick your card, you have to go with that confirmation form. Yeah, so when you go, because that confirmation form has even time when you're gonna pick your card, and you have to be there at exactly that time. So when you go, they will give you this kind of an envelope. You understand, guys? They give you this kind of an envelope, and when you get it, you of course open it. Let's see what's inside. So once you get it, you open it. You open it. So it's like this. So here is your residence card. Of course, check your residence card well, check the spellings, check if everything is okay before you go away. You understand, guys? Before you walk away, you have to check and confirm your spellings, date of birth, the name, date of birth, if everything is okay. You understand, guys? So once that all that is done, then you sign in somewhere that you received. And yes, so guys, that's it with today's video. I hope you've learned something. Yeah, I want to wish you the best in your application for your temporary residence, for those of you that are going to apply. And guys, if you have any questions about your temporary residence, let me know. Put them in the comment section. I'll come and talk about them. And yeah, guys, you always say you can't find my social media handles, but I'm always live on TikTok, and I'll try to pin them. And I have Facebook, I have Instagram. You can always find me there if you want to ask me more questions in private. I'm available. And yeah, guys, I don't have much to say. I really wish you the best in your applications. And that's the end of the video. Thank you for watching, and bye. Ciao.